Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to replace these hood vents on a Mercedes. Now here we have a GL 550, but this procedure is very similar for other models, including the S-Class and the E-Class and the ML. The steps are almost identical as far as what you'll need to do. So you first need to open the hood. So once the hood is open, then you want to make sure that these hood struts are strong enough. Make sure your hood doesn't fall down. A lot of times these get weak, and then after a minute or two, the whole hood collapses down. So you want to make sure that's not going to be your case. What you can do, you can press on this right here, and all Mercedes do this. Even the S-Class, where the mechanism is a little bit different, you have to press right here on the side, on the metal piece. But most of them look like this, so you'll just press on this, and then you can press that, and then lift the whole hood up. If you have weak struts, you can just bring that down again, like so, and now your hood is going to stay up, okay? So make sure you do that, or have somebody help you keep that hood up. The next thing that you'll need to do is you need a T25 Torx driver to remove these screws, and these are all around. You have one here, you got two over there, you got a few on the bottom here, so these all need to come off. T25s, or it could be T30 as well. So once that's off, then you'll have to press on these clips right here, and also in the middle and over on the other end, and then move this down like so. Now this whole thing should come off, but even if you don't remove all the screws, you'll have enough room to get to the back here. Once you have access to the back of the hood grill, the first thing that you can do is you can disconnect the hose for the windshield washer, and this hose just simply comes right out. You might need to twist it a little bit and pull at the same time. If it's not coming off that easy, make sure to have somebody hold this other end, hold this piece right here as you pull on the hose, because if you're just pulling on the hose, this thing is just gonna snap, it's gonna break right here. So don't do that. Make sure with one hand you're holding, with the other hand you're twisting and pulling, okay? And then once you do that, then you can go ahead and remove these screws for the grill itself. Okay, we're gonna put this one in so you can see where they go, but you have screws, all three, one here. As you can see, we're just reinstalling this, which is done in reverse. But these screws, you tighten these with a T25. In your case, you'll be loosening these up. But once you loosen all these screws up, there's one last step. Is it still has these plastic retainers, one there and there and here, so clips. So you'll need to press on these and then push this vent out. Okay, so then when you reinstall it, just press it in. Go ahead and install the screws and tighten them. Just make sure that the vent is sitting all the way in, so look on the top of the hood, make sure that it's not popped off on a side or anything like that. So if that's good, the screws are tight, then you take the hose, just can be connected just by pressing it in. And you can see here I'm holding the other end so that we don't break this plastic piece here. And then you can see this channel right here where you slide the hose itself. Okay, and once you do that, then this plastic piece, you can just push that up first to just lock it in place, and then you'll come and put the T25 screws all around to secure this piece. But that's it, very simple, straightforward. It just takes about 20 minutes to do this job. You take both of them out, and yeah, thanks for watching.